This video will demonstrate how to use account settings in Brightspace learning environment as an instructor. Managing your account settings customizes your Brightspace experience to fit your working and teaching style. On your home page, navigate to your profile and select Account Settings. General Settings allows you to change your email or your password. Pronouns makes your pronouns available to other users. And Font Settings customizes the font size for your Brightspace experience. Reading Content lets you choose to automatically mark items as read once you read them. Video Settings lets you choose to optimize video presentations for assistive technologies. Vocale and Language allows you to choose your preferred language for your account. Time Zone lets you choose your preferred time zone and continent. Signing in lets you decide how you want your status to appear when you're online and your login destination. Application Settings allows you to view the applications registered to your account. You can also customize the clock, first day of the week, dates, number formats, and percentage formats. Select Save and Close to confirm your account settings.